control, so you do have to understand it. There's no possibility to me or anyone else anyhow influence it. So one day we may get lots of bonuses and multipliers, other day none of them. It's on let's go. It's never gonna be two exactly the same sessions. It's only the matter of luck. Girl, I are feeling sleepy. You're feeling sleepy? Well, go to sleep then. AJ, it's a nice time to take some rest, so feel free to do it. Meanwhile, we are going for the cash count. Alright, cash count with a 3x, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so let's see how lucky we are gonna be. Oh, the board will be multiplied 3 times, but first, let's see the initial multipliers. Ooh, we got a 500x, 25x. Alright, so first of all, let's multiply it 3 times. So, 225x, 150x, 75x, 1500x is, of course, the main goal. So let's try to get it, right? Let's see how lucky we are gonna be. Alright, so remember guys, symbol is not related to multipliers. That 1500x could be hidden anywhere. So shoot your shot or leave it to the auto pick. In any case, good luck. I already made my choice. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my decision is a cactus in this one. That would be 16x for me, and 1500x was lower, and 23 players found it. 85 players found 225x. Congratulations. 3,996 winners in total. Congratulations.
Hey, nice to see you. So you're the champion, 4,117 winners in total. Let's see. Let's move on, guys. What's the last one, Cashin? Well, Alicia, we catched this session 1 cash-in. Highest multiplier was 100x. About the others, I have no idea sometimes. Chat mode! Emily, can you share some information about the last 4 cash? Sometimes with Brittany. Wow, this is too early morning for me. Seems like I just don't understand you, babe. Oh, yay! Woo! Jump in! It's a cash-in with a 2x on it. Delicious! Can you feel this? Excitement, right? Okay, we have 2x in our pocket. Let's check those main multipliers, my champ. Oh, 500x! Let's make everything 2 times bigger. Are you ready? Let's go. Bam! Whoa! This is a 1K out there! So max multiplier 1000x, ladies and gents. Let's go. This is juicy. Okay. Now, choose wisely your symbol, your lucky emoji. I'm faithful to 1 spot 37. Bunny is mine. And yours? Uh-huh. Oh, that's interesting. Who will go for a 3-6? Woohoo! Oh, yeah. Okay, last seconds, guys. Let's read it. Oh, 50. Okay. 1000x for 29 players, 150 for 92, and 100x for 218. That's a lot. Results are good. You are amazing. Chris, you got...
Special coins, I wish you good luck. More players, more winnings, ladies and gentlemen. Here are like... I'm ready for the crazy... I'm always ready for the crazy time. How you have been, babe? I'm feeling good like I should all the time, guys. No matter what, feeling good. Crazy time with 7x. Give me crazy time. But I guess it's not, or might be. Give me the crazy time because I'm the queen. Give me the crazy time, baby. Give me the crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! I love you. 7x, guys, from the top slot. Are you coming with me? Whoop, 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 whoop! I love you guys. I love you. Welcome back to the crazy time. 7 times additional multiplier from the top slot. The biggest wheel in the world, that means the highest will be 700x, right? Alright guys, which flapper will be yours? Make your choices. 700 is the highest. Green, blue, or the yellow, or the auto pick. I love you. I want to see the double. I want to see the double or the 700x. Come on, baby. We can do this. Let's check it till we make it. Woo! I love you guys. That's the Lola. Let's see how it goes. Double, double, double. Come on, baby. Ooh la la. Woo! What a score is 140.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up